or industry or your country in general or your domain of your knowledge in general, it's of no use. And that is the point which I want to put forth next. So the point is education 4.0 has to be taken up because industry has shifted to 4.0, and people are talking about, like I delivered one of the sessions on industry 4.0 where I've had few slides on industry 5.0 also. Industry 5.0 is also, people are looking forward to that. Yes, industry 5.0, what is that? So I'll not talk on that, but industry is already into fourth revolution. Next, fourth revolution. So education also should match with the requirement of fourth revolution of education. And fourth revolution education, industry, we all know, like it was 1765, it was mechanization, then mass production aa gaya. Then we could see that yes, you don't have to assemble a cycle, but now you can have multiple cycles produced in a very short span of time. That was like era of mass production. Once that was done, then we got computers. So everything got computer aided. So the third generation, which started in 1969, it was what? Automated production, computer aided machine, computer aided designs, computer aided machineries, computer designed processes, methods, procedures, everything was computerized. So that even I remember, I work in Precision College of Engineering I'm working here for last 30 years. And I remember that when I used to visit, we have Mahindra and Mahindra in front of it. And I remember की traffic jam होऊन जायचा तिथे, कारण thousands of laborers used to come out of that particular factory at 8 o'clock at जब भी shift जेव्हा change व्हायची, उस shift change के वक्त we used to have thousands of laborers coming out, because it was an era, I'm talking about 1994, 95, wherein mass production and automation was semi-automation. So semi-automation needed a lot of labor. And then when it became completely computerized, we couldn't see even huge parking of cycles those days in front of Mahindra and Mahindra. We don't see anything like that now because everything is computerized. You don't find people on shaft floor now. The robotic arms come, the plinth is set, the shaft is aligned, shaft is moved, the robotic arms will fit the tires and then the wheels, and then the alignment will be done. Everything is computerized. One mechanical engineer sitting somewhere on laptop monitoring only the processes because they are computerized. So this is fourth revolution of, this is third revolution, computerization. Everything, like two robotic arms will come, a shaft will be aligned, the wheels will be fit, tires will be fit, the steering wheel will be fit, and seats and everything will be automated. And it is already designed and pre-ordered. So you just have to monitor the process. And that was the era where I was talking about third revolution of industry. Everything is automatic. But now fourth revolution is very different. Fourth revolution of industry is asking for what? Is asking for that machine should take instructions also from machine. Why a human is required? Why not there is an artificial intelligence which will start monitoring, and the era of artificial intelligence, big data computing, machine learning, deep learning, cyber physical system, big data, cloud computing, everything, like, it all started with all those kind of technologies. And now industry should work not on purely human interaction, not on own our brain, but they should create a program. Chat GPT, it's an era of Chat GPT. And just last week, if you have seen the news, Chat GPT completed 1 full year, right? हमारे ऐसे घर घर में है. I use मेरे मोबाइल में continuous I use Chat GPT. It's so easy. And why to blame Chat GPT? It's an artificial intelligence. आपका काम कम हो रहा है, तो इससे अच्छी क्या बात है? So AI has become a very important tool. And then when Chat GPT came into AI dot, so that dot AI आ गया, और everything was so